Alright, Pascal's triangle. This is going to be your last assignment. And since this is your last assignment, I want to give you a little bit of a little summary of how this is going to go. First of all, what you want to do is you want to see if you can print this out. You want to see if you can print this out first. Now, if you can't print this out, that's fine. It would make your life a whole lot easier if you could print this out because you'll have the drawing right in front of you. But if you can't, that's fine. Just draw the boxes if you can. What you want to do is you want to fill in as many boxes as possible. Fill as many boxes as possible. Okay? And we're going to be filling in the boxes with numbers. All the numbers are going to be positive numbers. Positive whole numbers. So, there are a lot of patterns in this that I want you to figure out on your own. So this is going to be filled in with a lot of patterns. Your homework tonight is to fill in as many boxes as possible and then go ahead and take a picture of it once you feel like you've done enough, and I want you to send it to me. But just fill in as many boxes as possible. Notice there are a whole lot of patterns to it. I'll give you one hint right off the bat. Notice that there are ones all the way down this diagonal, right? There are ones all the way down this diagonal. So you could just fill in the ones right now. And then on the other side of the triangle, notice we got the same thing. We got ones all the way down the diagonal. So those should be easy. And then the next diagonal, let's look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm sure you can guess what the next number is going to be. And what the next number after that is going to be. Okay? So, you do have to think about it a little bit. There are tons of patterns in Pascal's triangle. Some that haven't even been discovered yet. But I want you to see if you can fill in as many boxes as possible. And of course, you could probably look this up online, look up a solution for it, but that's no fun. Go ahead and try this on your own first. Okay? This next diagonal going this way, notice you got all the positive whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, blah, blah. So you probably already know what this diagonal is going to be and what this diagonal is going to be. And then the next diagonal, you've got 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. And I want you to figure out what are the next numbers are going to be. What's the pattern going to be? And then do the same for this diagonal. So go ahead and fill in as many boxes as possible. Once again, do try and print this out instead of just drawing it. But if you can't print it out, I definitely understand. Just see if you can draw it, fill in as many boxes as possible, take a picture of it, and post it to Google Classroom or email it to me, or take a picture of it, text it to me, whatever you got to do to get this done. Okay? Now, if you have any missing assignments, make sure you turn them in by Thursday night, because Friday morning, I got to get up early, and I got to send all the grades to Frank Sheely so he can process them and he can give you a grade for the course. Okay? I've had a great time teaching this summer course, and if you have any questions, just email me. All right? See you.